I get the hiccups. What? I got the hiccups. Well, I'm sorry. Are you for real? Am I for real? Did you not hear that? Comment. I didn't mean to. Hey, I get the hiccups. Be for real. Yeah, I get the hiccups. Fixie, that was a hiccup. No, it wasn't. Yes, it was. I swear on my life that was a hiccup. A hiccup. Girl, boy, you can't even talk straight. You. Does everybody get the hiccups or what? Or is it just Fixie? I think I only get the hiccups. Girl. Why do you get the hiccups? I don't know. It's a habit. That means I'm growing. You're growing an inch right now. I don't care. I'm growing an inch of an inchy Heidi. Inchy Heidi? Let's see how tall you are. That's how tall you are. Just an inch. I don't care. I care. Baby. It smells like hippopotamus just ran 2,000 races right here. What does that smell? Oh, 2,000 races, bro. Meadow, I didn't mean to. 2,000 races. Your face 2,000. What? Chick, can't even go out with a callback without hiccup. Chick, tripping. This is the first day I've ever had my hiccups in front of my boyfriend. No, and you sound gay right now. Gay. Are we done hiccuping? No. Oh my gosh. Somebody scare the crap out of me or something. What's that? Just to let you all for the warning, they didn't go away. I hope you know that. Well, I don't know what to say. You might as well just live with them for the rest of your life. Hiccups! Oh my god, I gotta live with hiccups for the rest of my life. You ain't even growing at this point, and you don't even know at this point. Like, as I was saying, it smells like 2 hippopotamus just ran 2,000 races right here. What's that smell? Is it you? Why would it be me? I got a shower. When? I got a shower 2 days ago. Exactly. You don't know when you got a shower. You can't even speak without hiccuping. No. Come here, bro. What? It's a habit. No. I guess we all got the hiccups. I don't know about you, but I ain't got none. Josh, you got hiccups. Josh, you got the hiccups. Yeah. Imagine. You got hiccups. Why? Fixie started it, and then everybody else started getting hiccups. See, I just hiccuped. Why? Girl, why? Why, Duran? Why? Why? Jig got hiccups too. Ain't that nice? Everybody, I got the hiccups in here. Jig what? Jig can't talk because of hiccups. Jig can't speak. Jig, everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people get hiccups. And you're one of them. And you're the one that don't take a shower every 2 years. Who said? Me. Even the police department, even the government said that. It's called government. No, it's called government. There's an N in government. And there's an N in call me. My gosh. Oh my god. You sound like we all sound like we're replaying like a sentence. Like a sentence. So like, I'm gonna beat you up in 20 days. 20 days, bro. 20 days. 20 days. Alright. Let's see you try. Say what it is. Rose. Go take a shower. Now. You smell like 2 hippopotamuses. What? Shit. Can't even laugh straight. No. I wonder why. Oh my god. You just smell like 2 hippopotamuses that just ran up a pond. You smell like 2 hippopotamuses. 2 hippopotamuses. Yes. Now go take a shower. Now, before I throw you in the washer. Oh my god. This is funny. Bro. Call me. Quit hiccup. No, you're doing the same thing. Comment. Oh my god. Call me, bro. Do it again. Comment. Get out my face. Comment, bro. Comment. Get out of my face. Shit, tripping. Shit, dripping on some alcohol. Alcoholic. Oh my god. Shit, dripping on some alcohol, bro. Shit, comment. Did you hear the hippopotamus? The what? The what? The hippopotamus got ran up by a deer, bro. How do we still have the hiccups? I don't even know. Ask Google. Google. Hey Siri, what makes you quit hiccuping? Hiccuping? It's but go take a shower. I'm gonna throw you in the pool. Okay? Like the bath and like the bath water in the pool is the same thing. That your mom's the same thing. Slick. Oh my god. Don't say my name like that. I got a question. If that's your ex, then why are you right in front of her? Why do you care? Oh my god. Why do I still get the hiccups? Jet ruined her hair. It was like curly for me, and now Jet ruined her hair. I didn't mind her ruining my hair. Jet trapping. Call me. Be for real. I am locking. Isabel, lock in and go take a shower. What? I said lock in and go take a shower. What does lock in mean? I don't know. I never heard you say that. I wish I could quit hiccuping for like 10 hours. I'll let you know if I hiccup. What? Yep, I hiccuped. So, I couldn't even understand you. I said I'll let you know when I start to hiccup, and I hiccuped. Go take a shower. You stink like booty. What? Oh my god. Get out my face. Oh my god. Beat you up with a hippopotamus tail. My god. Why do I still get the hiccups? OMG, point of view. Isabel landed on the bed.